Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on HONOR Magic5 Lite. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Now in the top search find Microsoft Edge. Here you should be able to see the install button like this. Click on it. When it's ready, click on the open. Now there's introduction that you can read through if you like to learn some interesting features about this browser. I'm gonna skip it. Here we can enable show wallpapers, most visited sites, and a newsfeed for the homepage. Now sign in to turn on synchronization. You can also skip it by clicking on Not Now. Set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. Accept or disagree with the data sharing for Microsoft and click on Confirm. Now the browser is ready. We can open any website. And as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.